Hey everyone, welcome to Gyani Pandit. In this video, we are going to perform a simple Python program in which we are going to reverse the given number. So if the given number is 1234, the reverse of it should be 4321. This program is very simple, and once you are familiar with the logic, you can do it too, right? But before we get started, we have a lot of tutorials and a lot of courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. Make sure you check them out. So without any further delay, let's get into the program. As you can see, we have the file gyanipandit.py open here, right? So first of all, let's put a comment over here and we'll just write what we are going to do. So we have a number and we just need to reverse the number. That's it. So if the number is 1234, the given number is 1234, so the output should be 4321, which is the reverse, right? So we are not going to have any tricks over here. We are going to do this thing in a sort of manual way and we'll be explaining the things that we are going to do here, right? But let's go step by step so that we can better understand this thing. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do? We need a number, right? So let's get it as a user input. Okay, so first of all, let's create a variable. I'll call it number. That's it, no big deal. And we know that using the input function, we get the input, right? So we'll just put a message over here, a prompt string, right? So we'll write, please enter the number to reverse. That's it. Okay, this input function is going to return a string and we don't need a string, we want an int, so we'll need to convert it. Okay, so this is how we do it. It's very simple. So let's consider that we have got the number now and all we need to do now is reverse the number, right? But we'll need to understand that how are we going to do this. Okay, so to understand this, let's consider that what we would do if we were doing it manually. Okay, so let's say you have this number 1234 and you are required to reverse this number manually. Okay, so first of all, we'll just consider this number 4, right? Then we'll consider 3, then we'll consider 2, then we'll consider 1, and eventually our number becomes 0, so we stop, right? So we are required to do some things over here and we'll be going step by step explaining what are the things. Okay, but first of all, we need the last digit, right? And how are we going to get the last digit? This is very simple. We just need to get the remainder while we are dividing the given number by 10, right? And to get the remainder, we are going to use the modulo operator. But first, let's write the code and then understand it. Okay, so we'll just write while the number is not equal to 0, right? You will understand in a while that why we are writing this condition over here while our number is not equal to 0, right? And here we are required to do several things, right? First of all, we are required to get the last digit from the given number, whatever the given number may be, right? It may be 123 or 1234 or 12, like whatever. We need to get the last digit, right? To get the last digit, we are just required to do number mod 10. This is like we are dividing the number by 10 and we are getting the remainder, right? So whatever the last digit is, we'll assign it to digit. That's it, right? It's very simple. We have got the last digit. One more thing that we are required to do before we move on is just to create a variable which will hold the reversed number for us, right? So we'll just write rev underscore number, right? And initially we'll assign 0 to it. That's it, right? So as a next step, what we are going to do is that just get the rev number, whatever is there in the rev number, I'll just multiply it by 10 and I'll add the digit into it. Okay, so to understand this, let's consider that we have this number 1234. We are required to reverse this. Initially we started, the input is 1234, rev underscore number is 0 right now. Okay, so while our number is not 0, which is true, we are going to go into here, right? We are getting the digit. Initially we'll get 4, right? 4 is the last digit right now, so we get 4. So rev number into 10 plus digit, what is this going to give me? Rev number is 0 right now, so 0 into 10 is 0 plus 4, it is going to give 4, right? And we'll store it back to rev number, right? We'll assign it back to rev number. That's it. And since we have added that last digit, we just need to get rid of that last digit. And for that, we are just going to divide our number by 10. That's it. This is very simple, right? So if we divide our number by 10 in the first iteration, we are just getting rid of this 4, right? And in the next iteration, our number becomes 1, 2, 3. So again, while our number is not equal to 0, this is true again. So we are again going here. We are getting the last digit, which is 3 this time. And in rev number, we have 4 right now. So 4 into 10, it is 40, plus 3, it is 43, right? So we can simply see that our number is getting reversed, right? And since we have got the 3, we just get rid of it, right? Moving to the next digit, right? Okay, so if I just print the rev underscore number, okay, I will just print this rev underscore number, and we'll see that this number is reversed. Okay, so the terminal is here already, and we'll just run the program just by typing python space gyanipandit.py, which is the program name, right? So this is asking for a number, so we'll just give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and you can see that the number is reversed. It's 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Let's try for another input. Okay, so the number is like 17654. Okay, and the reverse is 45671, right? Which is correct over here. So as you can see, we have written a simple Python program to reverse the given number. This logic is very simple, and I hope that you have understood all the things that we have done here. Apart from this, we have a lot of tutorials and a lot of courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. Make sure you check them out. Thanks for being with us.